How do airlines benefit from a partnership with Hahnair?
Airlines are very, very competent. They know what they're doing. However, they do need assistance when they're looking to expand their network into new regions, new markets, and this is where we excel.
Bonjour, my name is Gosselin. I'm the sales manager for a regional carrier based in Canada called PAL Airlines. As soon as we started to work with Hahnair, we saw new sales coming in right away. And it's been 3 years now, and almost every year, Hahnair sales are increasing by 50%.
Let's talk about reach.
We are present in 170 BSP markets around the globe, as well as 190 markets.
PAL Airlines is BSP only in Canada, meaning what we wanted to do is to have access to a biggest clientele. Working with Hahnair, it's opened the sales all over the world.
We have over 100,000 travel agents as partners, and airlines cannot partner with all of them. They concentrate on only the unique top, and we take care of the rest.
So, why work with Hahnair?
If you're looking to increase your sale, if you're looking for a new market, yes, Hahnair is a good solution for you. I would recommend Hahnair to anyone.
We've done this for over 20 years, and we know the results are going to be fantastic.